Good morning, families. Happy Monday. I'm going to quickly go over today's activities for you guys from the learning packet. Hopefully everybody was able to pick it up. Like I said, today is Monday, so you'll be doing Monday's learning activities on the learning mat. Move your fingers Monday. Today you'll be moving those fingers as you write the numbers 1 to 70. Remember, neat and legible handwriting. A bonus point. If you write your numbers backwards from 70 to 1. And then for reading, you will practice your handwriting. You're going to write your address, including your street, city, and state. And you can earn a bonus point if you write your phone number as well. So if you guys do those activities today, snap a picture and share it with me on the Facebook page. I'd love to see how their handwriting is coming and that they're doing those activities. For reading today, they are doing the color by word family, similar to what we did last week. They're coloring words in the UG word family, the OT word family, and the AG word family. And again, word families are just words that rhyme. So words that rhyme with UG, like the word bug rhymes with UG, so you would color it brown. Words that rhyme with OT, like cot rhymes with ot, so you would color it green, and bag rhymes with ag, so you would color it red. So you're just looking to see if the words end with these letters. If they end with UG, you color them brown. If they end with OT, you color them green. If they end with AG, you color them red, and those are just word families. So that is today's reading. Scroll down to our writing. Our writing today is bugs in a jar, and they will read the simple sentence, and then they will draw it. So I see a jar. The jar has a lid. What is in the jar? So they will draw what they see, a jar. They'll make sure they add a lid because the story says it has a lid, and then they can add what they want into the jar because it says what is in the jar. So they'll read it and then draw it, and they have to do that 3 times. They might need some help reading some of these words. A lot of them are sight words like I and C. They might have trouble with words like jar because that's not a sight word, and it's also not a word that they can sound out simply because it's got that AR sound in it. So they might need some help with some of these words, but if you can, try to have them read it on their own and then just help them when they need help. Just to kind of build their confidence as little readers. And then down at the bottom, they'll answer the questions based on the story. So how many bugs are in the jar? They'll go back up here and see if they can figure out how many bugs are in the jar. What kind of bugs do you think are in the jar? That's an opinion question. And then what kind of bugs do you like? And again, they'll make sure that they start their sentence with a capital letter, that they use a finger space in between each word. That only lowercase letters are used unless it's a word that needs to be capitalized, and that they put a punctuation at the end of their sentence. And their tall letters should start up at the very top. Their short letters should start at this dotted line. And if they have any hanging letters, they should hang down below. So kind of work with them on that handwriting to make it look a little bit nicer. And then their math page for today, I'm going to go kind of quick because I think I'm getting ready to run out of time. Their math page today is counting sticks. So they will count each bundle of sticks. And then if you want to cut and paste, you can. But if you'd rather just write the number, that's 100% fine also. So if you look at this, each bundle, this is a bundle, has 10. So they can start 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So there will be 15 here. That's kind of the goal. It's a little tricky to count these one by one, but if they have to, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, they can do that. But if you can practice with them starting at number 10, they should be able to count on from 10. So they should be able to say 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. If that is too tricky for them, that's totally fine if they count starting from 1, but just try to start getting that practice from counting on from 10 and then write the number in the box. And kiddos, remember that teen numbers, they start with a 1. And if you need help writing them, you have this number strip down here that starts with 11 and goes all the way down to 20. So they are already in order. So that is today's learning mat, reading, writing, and math. Please reach out to me if you guys have any questions at all, and I will be happy to answer for you. Have a great day, guys.